Good morning, and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning, and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Fitz, and we're here in the busiest mini dental implant laboratory in the world. We've done over 600,000 restorations on mini dental implants and mono implants. And today I want to talk to a few of our technicians who've been here for a while and talk to them about how are things going at the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T lab. Okay, so we're here with Bob Ganji, the lab manager at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Laboratory. Hey, Bob, what's going on? How you doing today?
Doing great. Just making sure all these cases are coming in and going out. We're having a good run of cases coming in. A lot more CT stents that we're planning. Dr. Powers and Dr. Shatkin are getting those upstairs and to the doctors.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, awesome. So, if you had to say one thing to our doctors who are sending cases in, what would you think is the most important thing that they know that we're doing?
Well, first of all, we need everything sent to us in the proper format. We need the proper impressions, bites, things like that. Those are the main things that we have to do when we're coming in, so we don't have to call you back and say, oh, listen, we need a shade, we need bites, we need the CT scans. We are doing a lot of stents for our doctors, and sometimes they're having trouble uploading those cases, and you can call us at any time to help get those on the portal and up to us, and we'll be happy to get them right back to you.
How are things going at the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T lab, Chris?
Things are going great. I've been here over 10 years, and I couldn't be much more happier. We're doing about 50 roundhouse restorations a week, anywhere from a single restoration to roundhouses every day.
How has the Xantex, that new fiber resin material that we're using, how is that catching on?
It's catching on great. We're doing more and more every week. We've had excellent results. We haven't gotten them back for any kind of adjustments. One and done, I call them. One try and done.
So what are you working on here?
Yeah, so this is molar tooth. This is going to be a first procedure, and then doing a multi-unit bridge over here. Gonna put it onto an existing bridge already, and the restoration is going to go right there. So the procedure will be done in one sitting.
In one sitting. Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
And the patients love that, right?
Oh yeah, the patients love it. You know, one time to the dentist and that's it.
Wow, that's amazing. So you're busier than you've ever been, right? I mean, I talked to Walt. You guys are just cranking up here, right?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Awesome.
There's always work going around.
Okay, that's great. We're going to go talk to Aaron, one of our seasoned veterans who has been around the block a few times. Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
How you doing today?
Good.
Good, good. So we're up in the lab, and could you tell us exactly what you do here at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Laboratory?
I design all the full roundhouses and double upper lower roundhouses and big veneer cases.
How many years have you worked in the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Laboratory?
Over 16.
Over 16 years. And what have you seen change in those 16 years?
Well, we used to do everything by hand with melted wax, heated wax, and now we're doing everything on the computer. So everything has doubled as far as the amount of work we put out and can do in even just a day. So much more efficient.
So how many roundhouses can you get out of here in a day?
I personally probably do between 6 and 10, but I'm just one of 3 that do the roundhouses, so that's a lot of work per day. I work at home too. I do this at home. I come in here and do it. I'm just working all the time.
Non-stop.
Pretty much.
Well, it's great
Yep.
to have you on our team.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for helping us out with this.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'm here now with Debbie, who is a certified dental technician who also specializes in ceramics. So, Debbie, tell us what you do here at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Labs.
A lot of big roundhouse cases.
A lot of big roundhouse cases.
Yes.
Okay. And what are you doing right now as we speak?
I am doing a fixed on 6.
Okay.
It's a roundhouse with pink porcelain.
Now, how many years have you worked at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Labs?
11.
11 years. Okay, so you're a seasoned veteran. You've seen a lot of
Absolutely.
you've seen a lot of changes over the years, correct?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And what would you say is the biggest change you've seen?
Going from metal bridges to no metal, all zirconia and porcelain.
Well, thank you so much for taking some time to talk to us today.
You're welcome.
It seems like we're doing so many more roundhouses now. Fix on 6, Xantex, and cemented roundhouses that Sometimes we have to bunch them all together to get them out, but we're managing it and we are getting them out to our customers. And but I definitely, our full restorations are on an uprise.
Thank you so much for taking the tour of the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T laboratory with me this morning. I also want to reiterate to everyone our implant and restoration warranty. We're the only company in the world that offers this. So it's coming in with every one of your lab boxes. It's coming into your office. So please take a look at it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call me. We look forward to working with you. We're grateful to have you as customers. We're celebrating our 20th year anniversary down at Disney in Orlando. So that one's full. We're sold out on that one. So please come on up to September, October, and November. We're going to have 3 courses right in a row in those months that are going to be absolutely phenomenal. Anyone who wants to learn how to place these minimally invasive implants, it's the way to go. Thank you again for joining us in the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T laboratory. If you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to call us, and have a great week placing the mini dental implants. We look forward to seeing you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.